Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dees, and we have some gorgeous fall kits coming up for you. If you have not started decorating yet, but you plan to soon, you might want to watch out for some of the kits we're going to be posting in the next few weeks. Some of them are similar to ones that we've sold out of. We want to offer you something else if you like the coloring, and then some of them are totally new, especially if you're looking for Halloween. Stay tuned, we've got some great ones coming up. Today I'm going to do a take on my blueberry pumpkin swag kit that I had up before that sold out. So this one's going to be called Blueberry Pumpkin Swag Kit number 2 when you go to shopdeeslouisville.com. I love this one and it's perfect to twist onto so many things like a lantern, or today I'm going to twist it onto the Harvest Magnolia wreath that comes in pre-made. I don't know if you saw that we posted that we restocked it. This one sold out last year. It's a great base wreath, kind of like the boxwoods or the moss wreaths that we sell so well. This one I use as a base. So you can hang this on your front door as is, but how pretty is it to add like some fall to it now, maybe even Christmas to it, or then like what I really like is January, you know, add some blueberries, add some ivory to it. It's a beautiful backdrop for all year long. So today we are gonna do the blueberry pumpkin swag. I've got 2 stems and look how pretty that is just on there. We're not gonna do a whole lot to it. We're gonna fluff them a little bit, add a little ribbon, and that's it. So I've just laid blueberry stem on top of pumpkin stem. That's all I've done. I'll take them apart though and show you. Tall blueberry stem, it's kind of nice. It's like a cluster berry. It's got a little bit of different tones to it. Pumpkin stem already fluffed. I laid it right on top. And then you're just gonna pull that one blueberry branch down a little bit. And this is made exactly like the first one. So if you got the first blueberry pumpkin swag kit, you are doing nothing different except having a little bit slightly different of a blueberry stem. So I've got those ready to go. I'm gonna twist them right in here by this pine cone, but I do wanna cut the stems off just a little bit. We don't want them sticking out really far on the door. So go on and chop them, lay them to the side, and you're gonna tie your bow real quick. Grab my wire over here. So for today's bow, I chose 2 that I love. I've got the navy pumpkin. This one's so pretty. It's got the vines, it's got the ivory pumpkin, and we're gonna make 2 nice size loops. And then right on top of that, we're gonna take this farmhouse green stripe. I love this one. It's like a linen, but it's wired. And you're just gonna make a couple loops of that one too. Then you're gonna take your wire right where you're pinching those, tie it off a little bit in a knot. Now you're ready to use it to tie your 2 stems together. So grab those back. I'm going right behind that pumpkin. Make sure you get both stems in there and just twist it. The reason I twist it is like maybe next year you wanna use the same stems, but you want to add in another ribbon, or you want to switch your ribbon, you can just twist it off and your stems are still intact. Twist it on there, and now I'm going to go ahead and twist it onto my wreath so I can adjust. Obviously my ribbon loops are blocking my pumpkin and they need to be moved, but we're going to twist it into place, and then that gives us a secure spot to start moving everything around. So bring that pumpkin back to the front. This tail needs to come down and it doesn't want to. Let's see here. There we go. All right, I'm gonna move this pine cone out of the way. And now just bring like these berries that came on that pumpkin stem back up. These blueberries got kind of lost down there. And then here's the other blueberries. We're gonna take the ribbon behind that. Okay, and now I'm just ready to cut those tails. Let's see here. There's that one. So just a pretty, it's kind of like a neutral with a pop of blue. Blue's so popular. So it's kind of a nice change. If you're trying to add blue into maybe a lantern or a wreath, you just want to try it out. This is the perfect thing to do. So I'm going to get this tail going the right way too. They're fighting me today. There we go. Okay, so I got my bow, I've got my blueberries, all that's so pretty on the wreath. It just adds a lot. So whether you like this swag kit, this is Blueberry Pumpkin Swag Kit number 2, or you like this wreath I use, see how nice the berries just kind of fit into that? Both of these are available up on shopdeeslouisville.com. Head on over there and get yourself one of these gorgeous Blueberry Pumpkin Swag Kits.